Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, April 27, 2025. Today's video is about Auschwitz Album. Selection on the ramp at Auschwitz II, Birkenau from the Auschwitz Album, a photographic record of the Holocaust during World War II. It and the Sonderkommando photographs are among the small number of visual documents that show the operations of Auschwitz II, Birkenau, the German extermination camp in occupied Poland. Originally titled Resettlement of the Jews from Hungary, Umsiedlung der Juden aus Ungarn, it shows a period when the Nazis accelerated their deportation of Hungarian Jews to Auschwitz. The images were taken by photographers from the camp's Erkennungsdienst, identification service. Among other things, the Erkennungsdienst was responsible for fingerprinting and taking photo IDs of prisoners who had not been selected for extermination. The identity of the photographers is uncertain, but it is thought to have been Bernhard Walter or Ernst Hoffmann, two SS men who were director and deputy director of the Erkennungsdienst. The camp's director, Rudolf Höss, also may have taken several of the photographs himself. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.